Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have my December Boxycharm by Ipsy. Very excited. I have some of my face on. I'm going to unbox, try on, give you my first impressions. If you're not familiar with Boxycharm, it is a subscription box. You get 5 full-sized items. They pick 2, you pick the other 3 based on your profile, your preferences. I am generally very pleased with my box. I believe it costs about $32. You get a discount if you do it for the year, which is what I do. I pay for this. This is not a sponsored video. Let's see what I got. But before I tell you what I got, I do want to talk about what is already on my face. If you saw in my last video, I tested this new Revlon Photo Ready Lift and Fill Skin Tint, and shockingly, this oily girl is enjoying this skin tint so far. It is glowier than what I am used to, but I powder down my T-zone, I use a mattifying primer, and it wears fabulously. My skin looks really good. I also wanted to mention that I am testing out the new Maybelline Lifter Concealer. I have mine in the shade, I believe this is shade 50. I'm a little bit concerned that it's too dark, but I've worn it a couple of times. It's working out. I just used my super brightening Fit Me powder in Fair to set it, and so far, so good. Other things that are done, I have my brows on, the new Revlon pencil. I have my eyeshadow primer on, which is the Morphe in Chorus. And I have the Maybelline City Bronzer on. I'll have everything listed and linked. In my box, you get a card. It says Play Beauty, Spread Joy. It gives sneak peeks on sales. It gives a QR code so that you can see more information about what you got. I did grab a couple of add-ons that I will show you at the end. The first product I'll pull is this one from the brand Neen. I'm not familiar with this brand. These are the lined up lip liner pencils in Crosby and Orchard, which are described as a medium tone neutral taupe and a deep cool brown. They retail for $48. Back up. Here is the product that I'm supposed to be looking at. This is an eyeshadow stick. Sneak peek. So here is Orchard and here is Crosby. Both a little deep. I think I'm more drawn to Crosby? Yes, so that's the one I'll use. We'll leave these here and see how well they wear. The smooth gliding formula makes precise application easy and comfortable, letting you go from natural definition to bold ombre in seconds. Crosby is a beautiful shade. I really like it. I didn't go all the way around. I just came in a little bit. The next product I was super excited to see. They chose this for me, I believe. This is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Oil Luminizing Lip Oil in Gloss in Rose Amber, which is described as a sparkling taupe brown. I was looking at this on Sephora's website, wanting to get it, and now I have it. This retails for $26. I have the Luminizing Lip Gloss, I believe it's called. I've never tried a Fenty lip oil. It is completely a Jenny shade. I love a good rosy taupey brown. Smells good. Well, that is beautiful. Love it. I'm not sure I like it better than the gloss. It's just a little bit more slippery where the gloss feels a little more gel-like, but it doesn't feel sticky, so I like it. The next product I have is a brush set from the brand Farah. This is the Shade and Blend brush plus blush and highlight brush. Retails for $34. The Shade and Blend brush glides on color and blends with ease, while the blush and highlight brush is perfect for layering flush and glow. Both feature soft vegan bristles for smooth, seamless application. Ooh, this is the eyeshadow brush, double-sided. We've got a fluffier side and then a flatter side. That looks promising. And then here is the blush and highlight. Feels nice and soft. And we can use this brush with my new blush palette from Real Her. This is the You Are Brilliant Pro Blush Palette. Retails for $36. This 6-pan palette delivers buildable, blendable color payoff with shades that flatter every mood and moment. The fine powders layer beautifully for natural dimension and long-lasting wear with a soft, radiant glow. I do enjoy the Real Her brand and have gotten some really good things from them. I'm going to go into this Visionary and use it as a little bit of a highlight because it looks more highlighty to me. Soft and pretty. I like to put my highlight on before my blush. Yes, I like that. Now I think I'll go into this Passionate shade. Brush feels nice. It's a little bit on the firm side, but it's doing a nice job. Just for a little added color, I'll go into this Genuine. Put that more on the apples. I would definitely call it a buildable blush palette, which is nice for somebody that's heavy-handed, like me. And I may go back into that palette when I play with the eyeshadow stick that I mistakenly thought was the lip liners. This is an eyeshadow stick from JennDBeauty. This is the dual-ended eyeshadow stick in The Gift, which is a soft pink shimmer and matte taupe. Retails for $21. Here is the shimmer shade, and here is the matte shade. Looks pretty. Let's check those lip liners. They're coming off a little bit, but not bad. And I'll try to use this brush from Farrah to blend. So I'll first go into this taupe shade. And focus this a little more on the outer edge. A little on the dry side. Let's see if we can blend it. Try to go up a little bit higher. Not the easiest blend. Go into this Social in the Real Her blush palette and see if that helps. Not too bad. Now we'll go into this shimmer shade and put that on the inner part. Now I'll take that taupe on the bottom and just a little bit of that pink shimmer on that inner bottom third. Can't say I'm impressed. I'm going to add a little bit of my Primetics liner and mascara. If you didn't see that short, really nice company. These are mature eye friendly eye products. This mascara is tubing. This liner is super creamy and long lasting. I'll be right back. I'm back. I added up the items that I received in my box and it comes to a retail value of $165. Did I get my money's worth? I'm looking and I believe that I did. I am super happy to have this Fenty lip oil. I think it's beautiful. I love the rose taupe. Thrilled to have it. The Neen lip liners, really very nice, and they seem to be holding on to my hand really well. I love the shades. The ones a little bit darker, I'll have to play with it, but that Crosby shade, beautiful. The brushes from Farrah are okay. I'm not in love with them, but I think I can get some use out of them. And my least favorite is this Misha shadow stick. I'm just not impressed. I'm not the best at shadow sticks, if I'm being completely honest. I typically use them under my eyes, but I just am not impressed with the pink shimmer shade. It doesn't look shimmery to me at all. It's a very, very slight shimmer. The taupe I could use under my eyes. I don't think I have this shade in my collection, so we'll see. Overall, I am happy with my box. I will have everything listed and linked in the description box below. More information about Ipsy. Oh, my add-ons. I got the whole body. This is a 24-hour odor control from First Aid Beauty. Thought that would be nice for travel. And I got a little Tatcha water cream that I'm gonna give my sister because she really enjoys it. I like it too, but she enjoys it even more. And that's one of my favorite things about Boxycharm is the add-ons, the drop shop. I can get very discounted makeup, skincare in that shop anytime that I want. And then they give you an opportunity when you get your box to grab some things. So that makes it worth it to me as well. As I mentioned, I'll have everything listed and linked in the description box below about Ipsy. What else was on my face? This Prime Prometics, the mascara and liner. I love this. This is a really nice volumizing mascara. It definitely will be in my favorites and fails as a favorite. This liner, so creamy. I love the little smudger on the other side. So easy to work with. And I think I have a discount code. I'll make sure I'll let you know. If you shop with my links, they are affiliate links. I want to thank you so much if you do, because I do make a small commission and it helps support me and my channel. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing before you leave. I would love to have you join me. I upload on Mondays and Saturdays. Give the video a thumbs up, and of course, leave me a comment. Do you get Boxycharm? Did you get something different? I would love to hear your thoughts, or just leave me a heart to let me know you were here. I thank you so much for spending some of your precious time with me today. I'll see you in the next one.